Hi, I'm Rob from the Center for Manufacturing Technology, and we are here today to show you how to put a chuck on a machine safely. So over here we have our chuck. I have my hammer, I have my chuck key off to the side. All we need to do to start is to take the cover off the nose. So come right over to the cover. This black shell over the front is the cover. In order to take this off, you could put a little screwdriver inside this hole for pressure to relieve it. So I have a little Allen key I've been using. Just put the little Allen key in there and pop it off. Give it a little shake. Place that on the table. You don't need that anymore. Take your rag and wipe off the nose very well. This groove in the nose is for the pin inside of your chuck. See how the groove is like a T? That's so you can put it in and go forward, and you can put it in and go reverse. So that is what's guided by the pin. So make sure the inside of your chuck is very nicely wiped out before you go and put this in. You don't want any chips in there, or your chuck will not run straight. After you have everything cleaned and you're ready to put it on, make sure there's no power to the machine so it doesn't come on as you're starting to put this chuck on. And you may line up your pin with your slot. After you have it in the slot, if you're running the lathe normally, you want to push up because the pressure will stay on the pin so it doesn't come undone. If you're running the lathe in reverse, you want to pull down. So I'm going to push up. Put the lathe lock on, spin it, and hit it. Now your chuck is safely locked on there. Thank you.